And before we move on to the next one here, I actually want to ask you guys a question. Does that sound okay? Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
And you guys better answer, okay? So anyone here a Pawan Kalyan fan? Power Star fans? Yeah? Okay, I didn't realize he was that relevant. Okay, lots of Power Star fans here, Pawan Kalyan. If you're a fan of Pawan Kalyan, you should know this next song because it was in one of his most popular movies, Attarin Idaredi, and that's where I got introduced to the song. And being probably around like 10 years old, I genuinely did not know that it was a Carnatic song. I just thought it was some random movie song. So you're in for a real treat. You're gonna hear a really catchy song, and it's just beautiful, with more of a Carnatic twist than it was in the movie. So the next song is Deva Devam Bhaje, which is a very popular Annamacharya Kriti composed in Hindola Ragam and is done in Khanda Chapu Talam. Annamacharya wrote most of his compositions in Telugu, which is the mother tongue of Navyarai, but this composition is very specific and special because it's super popular, yet it was written in Sanskrit. So, go ahead and enjoy.